इंट्रोडक्शन दियो प्लीज।
हाँ जी,
तुसी कित्थे रहंदे
yeah,
हो, की करदे हो?
okay, I'm Dr. Bhupinder Kaur. Uh, I'm a 62 years old female practicing for past 45 years. I'm a medical practitioner and a clinical psychologist, running different free medical camps across the country and working for disaster across the globe. I'm a medical director with United States and running many other uh, camps or many other services. So
Okay.
here I am being interviewed by you, a renowned journalist online. Thank you for inviting me.
वेलकम। और डॉक्टर साहब थोड़ा जिहा राइट साइड पे आओ, अपना कैमरे फेसिंग करो, थोड़ा जिहा इधर आ जाओ, थोड़ा जिहा राइट
Okay,
साइड पे आओ, कैमरे च फोकस करो।
okay, okay,
ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ
okay. I'm
ਅੱਜ
good.
ਕੱਲ
I'm good.
ਹਾਂ
I'm
ਠੀਕ
good.
ਹੈ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ। ਹੁਣ
I'm
ਤੁਸੀਂ
good.
ਮੈਨੂੰ
I'm good.
ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸੋ। ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਹਾਮਾਰੀ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਫੈਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ।
जी,
ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ
जी,
ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਕਿ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਕਾਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰਨ, ਔਰ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਨਣਾ ਪਾ।
जी, जी. COVID-19 is a new infection. There is no specific protocol for treatment, nor there's any vaccination. The age-old saying of prevention is better than cure holds best for coronavirus, as protecting ourselves and preventing the spread is the best solution. Spreading of coronavirus is through cough or sneezing by respiratory droplets, or by touching the surface which have been exposed to the virus. The virus stays on clothes, hair, and on surface anywhere between 4 hours to 9 days. It enters the human body through exposed mucous membrane, through eyes, nose, and mouth. सर सारे ने जरूरी है कि ऐसे कार्य रहे. It's more important. जे बाहर जाना पे, if it's mandatory, if we need to go out for anything important, only then we need to step out, and we need to have these basic precautions like wearing a mask, covering our nose and mouth, and shielding our eyes. Avoid unnecessarily touching the surfaces and your mouth, nose, and eyes. Washing with soap and water is the best way, but in case wherever there is no soap and water, you can use a hand sanitizer, which is having more than 70% of alcohol. So once you're back home, you need to wash your clothes with soap and water, take a bath, and clean the surfaces with sodium hypochlorite solution with 1:100 proportion dilution. Most important is to fight the coronavirus, we need to build our immunity. That is the first line of defense in a body. Exercise to mobilize the lymphatic drainage in a body. And there's a new theory like 72 hours fasting will reboost your immune system. You should keep in mind that it's important for us to be relaxed, as a stressed mind will lead to a stressed body. The incubation time for coronavirus is between 2 to 14 days. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਦੇ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਚ ਆਨੇ ਆ, ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਤੇ ਲੱਛਣ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ 2 ਤੋਂ 14 ਦਿਨ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ ਫੀਵਰ, ਖੰਗ, ਗਲੇ ਚ ਖਰਾਸ਼, ਬੁਖਾਰ, ਸਿਰ ਦਰਦ, ਬੋਡੀ ਚ ਪੀੜ, fatigue, headache, and nausea and vomiting in case of COVID-19. This is only a symptomatic treatment.
खांसी भी आंदी है,
खांसी आंदी है, सूखी खांसी आंदी है, without sputum. That's a dry cough.
Okay.
अगर किसी होवे इंज, किसी ਨੂੰ ਹੋਵੇ इंज, the best thing is you be at home, be isolated at home, अपना एक वखरा कमरा, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਾਥਰੂਮ ਅਟੈਚ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਰਹੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਾਮਾਨ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਬੈਡ ਬਿਸਤਰ ਜਾਂ eating or vessels or anything should not be shared. It should be completely isolated. And there are few basic medications which should be taken, like for paracetamol, cough syrup, betadine, mouthwash and gargling, senile nasal spray, vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc tablets, B complex, balanced and protein rich diet, drinking lots of water. ਜਿਕਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਕਿ ਹਲਦੀ ਤੇ ਜਿੰਜਰ ਦਾ ਡਿਕੋਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਪੀਏ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਤੇ breathing exercise is must. Breathing exercise ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬਈ you breathe in and breathe out. It's just that if you breathe into a balloon, that will be your breathing against resistance. That will be best exercise. Meanwhile, it's important that we keep a note of our symptoms. Thermometer record करना चाहिए है ते we should also have oximeters at home. It's a simple device where it is non-invasive. We just got to put a finger inside and it records. It's as simple as that. This oximeter would cost around 2,000 rupees. So one instrument will be sufficient for the whole family. Now it records, it says something like, I've got 99% of oxygen and my pulse rate is 71. So the oxygen level in the body is anywhere between 90 to 100. But whenever it falls below 70 or 60, it becomes vital that you need to go to a hospital to take oxygen. Usually the first symptom is like running nose, where to see breathing exercise करो तो steam inhalation लो ते between 2 to 4 दिन तक तो फिर sore throat हो गया जाएगा. Sore throat रहते फिर तुसी gargling करो, drink hot waters frequently. 4 to 5 day you will have lung infection, lung symptoms like coughing, breathlessness. It's important that we monitor our oxygen levels.
तो जो ऑक्सीमीटर ਜਿਹੜਾ easily available है?
Yeah, it's very easily available. It's of ਜਿਕਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ BP apparatus ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, sugar diabetes ਵਾਸਤੇ we keep a meter at home. This is very easy. This is just very simple. It's non-invasive. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ prick ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. It is just that you put a finger inside, you get it. But this is different. You have two in this. One is adult oximeter. The other one is a pediatric oximeter. Also, you get it. Suppose you have children at home, you need to buy one more.
And which one is better?
Both are good. Adult is good for adult, and the pediatric, the smaller one, size is the same, but used only for younger children. Their oxygen levels are different. Their body measuring of oxygen level in children is a different parameter.
तो कितना
But
ਹੁੰਦਾ
you don't have to
oxygen
get
level?
scared of between 95 to 100, I should say. But sat to thalle je gaya, that may become dangerous. They say you can wait till 45, but that will become a little too dangerous to reach to hospital. I'm telling about the percentage in India.
हाँ जी बोलो, दसो तो फिर पूछांगे.
It is like 80% are asymptomatic. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਲੱਛਣ ਦਿਸਦੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ, ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ 80% people ਨੂੰ symptoms ਦਿਸਦੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਉਹ ਆਂਦਾ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਚਲੇ ਵੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ. ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਚ ਜਿਕਨ ਜ਼ੁਕਾਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਬੁਖਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ. You're not aware of it. People above 60 and who are having underlying illness of heart, lungs, or immunocompromised, or diabetic people, these are more prone because ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਰੋਗ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਰੋਧ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਘੱਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. They cannot fight back the response. That's the reason we say we need to improve our immune system.
Then how can we improve our immune system, Dr. Sir? How can we improve our immune system?
Right. Immune system improves only by increasing our lymphatic drainage system. That way, we increase the growth of blood cells, WBC count. The the cells which fight the viruses, the defense mechanism of our body. Take a healthy diet, and exercise is a must for that. And there's a new theory that fasting for 72 hours will reboot your whole immune system. When you're fasting, you are not eating, your body takes the energy from the fat cells, which they say that it reboots the whole immune system.
Okay.
The recovery rate with COVID is around 40%. And the fact is that we say इन्ना नंबर हो गया इंडिया च इन्ना नंबर हो गया गाल सच्ची है नंबर वधे पे नहीं but the percentage is only 0.75. The infected person is 0.35. We should understand we are a thickly populated country. We have more than more than 130 crore people living.
Yes.
The recovery rate is 40. Around out of the infected or symptomatic cases, only 3% need oxygen.
Okay.
And 2% need ICU admissions. And the people who are infected, out of those, only 1% require ventilation.
Okay. And they have to
And
admit
mortality
them.
rate in India is only 2.8%.
Okay. Then what should we do? Please repeat it again so that people and viewers can understand it easily. Repeat it.
Repeat.
Do's and don'ts.
Repeat what?
Do's and don'ts. What to do and not to do.
Okay, right. The do's are like this, that you need 100%. It's important that you isolate yourself, you be at home. Unless there's an emergency, you want to go out for your basic needs of home or any other medical emergency. Once you leave home, it's important that you use a mask, covering your nose and mouth, shielding your eyes, maintaining a distance of minimum 3 feet, washing your hand repeatedly and regularly with soap and water is the best solution. If in case of non-availability of soap and water, you can use a hand sanitizer, which has an alcohol percentage of more than 70%. Avoid unnecessary touching on touching surfaces. That includes railing or counters, car, vehicles. Unnecessary touching vehicle. Anything on the like in a mall, you go, you try to touch everything, every packet and touch. Avoid unnecessary surface touching, and avoid touching to your face above your neck, like your eyes, nose, and mouth. Once you come back home, it's important that you take a head bath, put your oil clothes to wash, and wherever you have touched, clean that with a surface cleaner, that is hypochlorite solution, which has 1:100 proportion dilution. That's antidote for coronavirus also. And suppose you have
anything else, Dr. Sir?
No, not really. That's what I showed. These are the only 3-4 basic things which we need to maintain not to get infected. One, and suppose you are an asymptomatic carrier, you will not be infecting others. By taking these precautions, you will not only help yourself, but also see that you don't infect others. And then important is building immunity is always good. That's the first line of defense of a body. To that matter, any infection, your body responds first.
Yes.
And suppose you have some sort of viral infection like running nose or fever or cough in initial days, you just quarantine yourself in a room. don't you try to be quarantined in a room which is ventilated with the bathroom, which should not be used by anybody else. See that all your things are in your room and you don't go out and mingle with your family members. And when you feel that oxygen level is falling, then you need, but one thing, right, once you have the signs of COVID, you need to inform the service providers, service providers, or call 104, service 104. They'll help you out to how to cope up with your day-to-day process, day-to-day progress of your disease. But from
Okay.
your end, it is important that you maintain your oxygen levels.
Okay.
Monitoring your oxygen level is more important. The only criteria for admission now is only when the oxygen levels falls below 45. But we don't have to
इससे
rush at
इलावा नहीं
45 that it
जाना,
become too critical.
इससे इलावा
ना
नहीं
ना ना
जाना
ना
जो
ना
ऑक्सीजन प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके,
ना
ठीक है,
नहीं.
बिल्कुल
Below
ठीक.
60
ओके,
you try to find a
अब
hospital.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Below 60
हाँ
only,
जी.
that is only most important. Like when it falls below 60, it's important that you start searching a hospital, because as you know, there's so much of rush. बहुत rush बढ़ गया है आजकल, बहुत बंदियां
बहुत
हो रहे
ज्यादा
हैं.
है तो
They
यस.
start, yeah, they start on this, or you start finding a hospital or going to a hospital. Maybe by the time you reach a hospital and you get a place, get an admission into any hospital, it'll be fair enough. You'll be fairly better off.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦੱਸੀਆਂ, ਵਿਊਅਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੀਕਾਸ਼ਨਸ ਵੀ
But I need
ਦੱਸੀਆਂ.
to add, yeah, I need to add, there's a positive side to corona also. It has all made us understand how important is a family. And the best part, it has taught us, and it has taught us how to live with our needs, not our wants. And we need to sit back, and think and analyze what we have been doing. It was such a mad rush, 24/7. रोड पर आदमी सारा दिन नसदा ही पिया सी. Like God does whatever is best for human, I suppose. He put a
मटेरियलिस्टिक
mark
वर्ड
for us.
बन गया है, मटेरियलिस्टिक हो गए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
नेचर तो दूर जा रहे
बिल्कुल 100%. Exactly. And as rightly said, it was a very good caption always, like globe is on maintenance. It was so right. Even the globe had a right to, I mean, even the nature, not only environment. मैं पानी दी ते झाड़ दी ते गल नहीं कर रही, चिकन other organisms other than human also need a breathing space. We could see so many animals coming out on the road. So many fishes and sea coming out.
Beautiful.
And the beauty of corona was it infected only humans.
Yes.
No animal was infected. No plant have been destroyed. Nothing. So it's lesson for humanity that we learn to be where we are. Otherwise we're claiming to be God by ourselves. That was wrong.
बिल्कुल. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਨੀਮਲਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਲਾਈਫ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਚੇਂਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਔਰ ਨੇਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਟਰੋਏ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਔਰ ਇਹਦਾ ਨਤੀਜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਭੁਗਤ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਬਿਲकुल ਬਿਲकुल. Climatic change ਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਪਏ ਸੀ ਕਿ so much, but man don't have stopped. ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ revolutions ਆਏ, ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਅਵੇਅਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਇੰਜ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਵੇਸਟ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਜਾਂ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਕੋਈ ਸੁਣਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਿਆ ਸੀ. But a small organism as small as one, I don't know how to wait that one coronavirus has put the whole world on a stop and taught a lesson to the whole humanity.
It is nature's fury. नेचर लेसन दे रही है इंसान को, सुधर जा.
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल rightly said.
और कुछ दसना चाहोगे डॉक्टर साहब?
I am also on a international free online helpline for COVID patients, for or COVID stress people. I don't call it stress. I said coping with COVID. We should learn to live with COVID. Anyone who in distress or needs some sort of psychological help can please feel free to call me on my number. I'm available, but only in desperate need. Please, no unnecessary calls. I said, as I told you, that I'm on an international online call. So it will be better if it's only required, whenever required, I may be called. It's nice. It's a pleasure to join you, madam.
Thank you
Thanks for
very
calling
much.
me.
वेलकम।
Thank you so much.
मैनू
It's
बड़ी
my
खुशी
pleasure.
हुई अज तुसी आए हो और प्लीज अपना हेल्पलाइन नंबर तुसी कमेंट बॉक्स च शेयर कर दो ताकि जिन्हों
हाँ जी,
जरूरत होए जरूर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
हाँ जी,
कॉल कर सके।
हाँ जी.
थैंक यू
My
वेरी
number is
मच।
visible on my my number is visible on my Facebook timeline.
ओके।
I'll write it down on this also. Otherwise, it's
It was
available.
a very
It's not.
healthy talk, Dr. Sir. It was very healthy and
Thank you so much.
useful.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੁਲਾਏ ਹੋ,
Thank you for
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਨਵਾਈਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਚੰਗਾ ਹੈ. Thank you ਜੀ. Thank you so much.
और ਤੁਸੀਂ
Good
अपना
day.
कीमती ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬਿਜ਼ੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ
Thank you.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nice talking to you. Thank you, madam. Bye bye.
बाय बाय।